Hello, this is Anton Kamaev, and we are at ISE 2023, staying at KNX stand, and our company is iRidi. So we demonstrate here KNX integration server, which goes with flexible visualization. Here is an example how it looks like. So it is actually used for residential as well as commercial purpose. So I'll give you a short example how it can be changed. So let's go to this one, and here we demonstrate an interface for congress halls and so on. So it's fully customizable. You can create your own or change some templates that we have. And this integration server, which is hardware, is used in order to get a remote connection, store all logic 24/7, and also it has direct connection to KNX. But actually we support more than 60 protocols, both automation and multimedia. It also has KNX ETS remote, which means you can update the firmware remotely from ETS 5 or 6, which means you don't need to go to the object side. And yeah, here we also have our application with different concept interface, so it looks very nice, and it covers all needs and all demands of your customers. So you can actually change it at all. It's up to you. It's fully customizable, and it runs on iOS as well as on Android tablets and Windows. And you're welcome to visit our website iRidi.com to learn more information about us. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.